Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In last video we have learned how to install PHP and how to install XAMPP server in your Windows. In this video we are going to learn how to save our login page data in our database. So you can see here, this is my login page and this is my database which I have created. In this database, you can see there are two data uh, is filled. So if when I entered something in this login page, like put any email ID and now put any password. When we click on login, you can see login saved successfully. When click on OK, and now we go on the local host, and when refresh this page, after refreshing it, we got our data is saved in our database. Our password is in encrypted form. That's why can, the admin also cannot see our password, because our password is in encrypted form. So we are going to make this. So in this video, I will only I am not going to create the index.html and the login.php and the style, because all code I have done before. So in this video I only show you how it work. So if you are interested in this video, please like and subscribe. So first of all, we need to create our database. So this database I have used uh, as a name of user. Now, first of all, we need to start our XAMPP server, Apache server, and MySQL. So, open it and click on Start and Start. I have already started it, and after that, open your Chrome browser and search. Type here local host PHP MyAdmin slash PHP MyAdmin. So this will be show you when you type localhost PHP MyAdmin. Then this interface comes, and after that you click on new and create a new database. So click on the new and create a new database. Create database name. In this our database name is login system, and here I am also give login system, but change something in this to not match database need. So I have created is a login system. Okay, now click on create. Our database is created. You can see here, this is our database. Now after clicking on this database, which and go on the SQL, click on SQL, and in SQL you type this code. Wait, type this code. You should type in this SQL command to create our tables, and after that click on go. After clicking on go, uh, our table is created. The name is user. You can see it here. And now I am telling you to where we should code for the PHP. So for now, go on the C drive. In C drive, go inside your XAMPP. In XAMPP, you can see here a file name htdocs. Here, here you create a file name like uh, file name. I am created a folder name login one. Okay, and open this folder in your VS Code. Okay, here first create a index.html file, index.html, and create a style.css file, and you should also create a dv.php file. dv.php for create a connection between database, and now in HTML copy this code, copy it and paste here, and in the style.css copy the style sheet code, copy it. All this code I will provide in the GitHub. Okay, so you can download from there, copy it and paste here, paste here, and in dv.php you should paste data connection logic, copy it and paste here, paste, and also create a login.php full login.php file .php, and here you put, and here you paste the php login code logic to pick the all the data from the login page of HTML and put them in the database. Okay, all set. Now we should edit something like in connection dv.php connection file. We should change the uh, our database name. Here our database name is, our database name is login, last में s लगा हुआ है. Okay, in at the end the s, so change it as s, and all set. And now I am going to run our code. So go on the browser and type local host, no dashboard, uh, here type your file name. My file name is login1. Okay, go on the Chrome and type here local host slash, our file name is login1. Here type login1, and I am going to learn this file index.html. So here you can see our file name is login1, and I am going to run index.html file. So type here login1 slash index.html. You can see This is our front end, and when we put the email and the password, they will save in our this new database. Now I will show you. uh, Let me type here the email ID. So email.com, and in password anything, and now click on login. Okay, and now you can see here, after refreshing it, in a structure, in user, now here you can see our first data is stored in our database. refresh Refresh it, and again I am putting, I am filling other data, like now click on login, click on OK, and here you can see, refresh it, you can see our data is saved here, and our password is in encrypted form. So no one can see, the admin also can't see our what is our password. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, keep subscribe, comment, and wait for the next video. In next video I will show you how to create that login page we have shown here, and also write the PHP code, how to connect with the database and the go saved in our database. So all logic we which we have shown here will explain in next video. So keep subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching. Thank you.